Hey, what's good, learning machines? Welcome back to another fire video. This video, we're going to talk about the most important thing / skill in affiliate marketing. Okay, and I'll tell you why after I tell you what it is. And the most important thing is traffic. Okay, and I'm going to tell you why and how you can actually drive traffic now. Okay, the most important thing is traffic, and the reason why is because affiliate managers, networks, etc., and your bank account, they don't care how much you know unless you're driving traffic. Okay? And I've seen this, okay, with my students, I've seen this with myself, and what happens is they treat you like a king if you know how to drive traffic. Like, you can get like payment upgrades in your offers, so they'll upgrade how much you get paid per conversion. They're gonna give you like secrets and advice. They're gonna give you quicker payments, stuff like this, okay? And that's just super powerful. But at the end of the day, nothing matters unless you're driving traffic in affiliate marketing. So I'm gonna tell you how to do that right now. How you drive traffic in your marketing, okay? And this doesn't matter if it's affiliate marketing, social media marketing agency, drop shipping, okay, e-commerce. It doesn't matter. All that matters is if you can spend the most to get your conversions, okay? And how you do that is, let's say you got something super high ticket in your back end. Okay? You got something crazy high ticket. Let's say it's like my mentorship for 6 months, we'll say. That's $5,000. I might raise it the more in demand it is, because obviously my time is valuable and I don't want to just like, well, I'm going to coach like 200 people for 6 months. I don't want to do that, but I'll have to probably raise it if more people get in it. But that's my high ticket coaching. We'll just say that's your back end, high ticket. Guess what? We're first going to do this. Your mid ticket offers. Okay, you got like a $30 offer. You got we can't do 5 here. This is mid ticket. We'll do 100, and we'll do 50. Okay, those are your mid ticket. Your low ticket is like a $5 one. Sorry about that. Very interrupted. Okay, it's okay though. Moving on is the low ticket, $7. Okay, and then let's say you got like a $13 one. Okay, so those are what you have in your business, and if you can spend the most to acquire a customer, you're gonna win. So how you can do that? You've got this right here. This is your budget for your test. So let's say you got this $5,000 right here. Okay? $5,000. That's my budget because I have that in my back end. If I want to, which I want to raise it so I can spend even more, but it's fine because it's $5,000, dude. I can spend $5,000, and everyone, here's the thing. Everyone who buys all this is all profit. If you get one sale from that $5,000 ad spend, you just broke even right here. All this is profit. You're welcome. That is the video. That is how you drive traffic. Check out the other videos. And I will see you in the other videos. Check out new stuff in the description. If you want to get more value from me and ascend my value ladder, check out the courses, obviously. And peace out.